Operational amplifiers are the basic building blocks of an analog electronic circuits. It is basically an amplifier which amplifies the input. If you apply some voltage or current at the input, it will be amplified at the output. Using this amplifier, you can conduct different operations such as voltage amplification, addition, subtraction, differentiation, and integration. As you can conduct all these different operations, it is called as operational amplifiers. Now let us look at the basic symbol and terminals of an op-amp. The triangle symbol is used to denote an op-amp. It has two input terminals and one output terminal. One of the input terminal will be inverting and the other will be a non-inverting terminal. The difference between the two is simple. The input given through the inverting terminal will be inverted at the output. For example, if we supply some sinusoidal voltage at the inverting input terminal, we will get an amplified signal at the output, but it will be inverted, or the phase will be inverted by 180 degrees. Similarly, any input given to the non-inverting port will amplify the signal as it is and does not invert it. Along with these terminals, we have positive and negative leads. These leads will be connected to the positive and negative side of the DC power supply. In op-amps, we have two types: open loop op-amps and closed loop op-amps. The open loop op-amps does not have any feedback from output to input side, whereas the closed loop op-amps have a feedback between the output and input. Now, op-amps have different modes of operation. They are single-ended mode, differential mode, and the common mode. In the single-ended mode, one of the input is equal to 0. This means only one output is considered for amplification by the op-amp. This is known as single-ended mode. In the differential mode of an op-amp, the output voltage signal will be the difference of its two individual inputs. Or we can say, an op-amp's output signal is the difference between the two input signals. This is called as the differential op-amp. Both the inputs can be of the same value with opposite signs, or we can have different values. In all the cases, the output will be the difference between the two input values. For example, if the inputs are V1 and V2, then the output will be A times V2 minus V1. Here, A is called the voltage gain of the amplifier. Simply put, it is the factor by which the input signal will be amplified. Now, in the differential mode, the output will be the difference between the value of the positive marked input terminal and the value of the negative marked input terminal, not the other way. This is one of the key points to consider in op-amps. The last mode is the common mode. In this mode, both the inputs are identical in amplitude and phase. As they are same, they are considered to be operating in common mode. So in this case, the input V1 and V2 will be equal. These are the basic modes of operation of an op-amp. To sum up, in this video we learnt about the basic symbol and the terminals of an op-amp, the different modes of operation such as single-ended mode, differential mode, and the common mode. In the next video, we will look at few applications of the op-amp. See you there.